Unit 6 of Morosova my day adin. Lesson 3 till Morosova my daily activities are dinnerham. Listen Huno and Basse ho. I usually get up my ham shuri day at 6 sort about it. I often have to have a better gadu at 6:50 sort of $100. I usually have high day brick for binahare at 7:30 shatta tirishamade. I always hamisha goes I day to a school of mother at 8:25 at mother. I usually go hamisha the home gorom mother at 8:30 at shot. I have an atikudiga do goride the housework gora hammi at 4:30 at satta mother. I usually hamisha study manahuride my lesson asabakar at 7:30 shatta mother. I sometimes extra time I watch side TV side 8:30 at I usually go hamisha die to bed mother at 9. Not about the Unit 6 of Marasa my day adin. Match Juraido their daily activities at Dinaham and by the time ore and by the right lekosan the shurginare. Go home gorozo. Do the house of Goro Hamming Goro go to school zo 6:30 Sota Tirishot in the evening as in now. 8:45 at Masulush in the morning binna. 3:30 3:30 in the afternoon doing job. Example to I go I home gorom mad at 30:30 at 3:30 3:30 minute in the morning binini laguri banaba বানানো হলে আর হইবে বানা দিও কম্পিউটার ফুল স্টপ করো the question solving with L was হামেশা usually মানে হামেশা L was তো usually করিলে হইলে কিন্তু L was দিবা বেশি এবার 7% সরি বা 5% ইন দিলে দিয়া afan atikko thika samta kesu time madan bara lekho the answer job daw what time do you usually get up to হামেশা উঠো না I usually get up I হামেশা উঠি দে তুই হন টাইম হামেশা উঠো হয়তো I usually get up I হামেশা উঠি দে at 7 time at 7 সাতটা বাদে what time do you have a but তুই হন টাইম মাঝ গা দো তুই হন টাইম মাঝ গা দো হতে দিলে what time do you have a bet তুই হন টাইম মাঝ গা দো হতে what time do you usually have a bet তুই হামেশা গা দো না এন্ড করে কি বানাবে ফেলে আর হইবে লিখি দিও তারপরে দাসে হইদে ইম বানাবি দিন লাইলা করিয়া Akfusalan answers of the question solved ginore. A mother of the what time do you usually get up? 300 time madura. Be mother that usually get up I would at 7. Shatta bade.